Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, if you are a student, job seeker, freelancer, or marketer and you don't have a portfolio website yet, then this video is for you. Today, I'll show you this personal portfolio website and then I'll explain step by step how you can create your own portfolio and host it for free using GitHub. So, no paid hosting, no complicated setup. So let's get started. So this is the portfolio website. Here you can see the name, the role and resume download. If you'll click on it, your resume will be downloaded. As I scroll down, you will notice a smooth animation and a sticky nav bar and sections like about me, skills, right? Then professional experience and then contact details. I have also added floating WhatsApp and LinkedIn buttons so anyone can contact you instantly. So, this entire website is responsive, meaning it works perfectly on mobile, tablet, or desktop. Okay, you can see this is the mobile view, right? So, having a portfolio like this makes a huge difference. Instead of just sending a resume, you can show your work experience and skills in a professional way. Recruiters and clients trust you more when they see a real website. Now, let me tell you how this is built. So, this is built using simple HTML and CSS with a little bit of JavaScript for animation. You don't need React, Angular, or any heavy framework for this. Even beginners can do it. You can take help of AI like ChatGPT or Gemini to create your portfolio. So inside my project folder, you can see I have few files only: index.html, iramashraf.png, iramashraf resume.pdf. That's it. Now let's see how I can upload this on GitHub and make it live. So what you can do, you can just simply go to github.com and you can sign up there. Okay, sign up for GitHub. So once you'll sign up, you will be redirected to this page. Now you have to create repository. Click on this create repository. Now we have to provide the repository name. So I can call it portfolio. You can keep it simple. Then description, this is optional. If you want to add, you can add. Then make it public, and then no dot git ignore. Add readme is also off, and no license. Just click on this create repository. Now what we have to do, we have to click on this upload an existing file. Now we can choose your files, and I have created a folder on desktop, Iram portfolio, and from here I'll just select these three files and we'll click on open, and our three files will be uploaded successfully. Once these are uploaded, just add a message here that initial uploaded portfolio. It can be anything, it's up to you. Then click on this commit changes. Now you will see the files here. Now we have to make the website live. So you have to click on the settings, and then you have to click on this pages. Now under source, this should be selected deploy from a branch, and then the branch will select this main, and then this root should be selected, and then we'll click on this save. You can go to this actions here, and you can click on this pages build and deployment, and you can see this is the URL. Once you'll click on it, you will see that your website is hosted on GitHub. And now you can add this link to your LinkedIn profile, to your resume, and to other platforms. So that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, like the video and subscribe to the channel. If you want me to create your portfolio, you can contact me. The contact details are in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.